Yo, guys, have you ever gotten paid and then like 5 days later you wonder like where all of your pay went? Because that is like one of the things that really got to me. I mean, you got bills, and you've got kids that you need to sort out. You've got transport that you need to sort out. You need to help out your family. Okay, and then after that you don't have any money left for yourself, right? I know exactly how that feels. And then you like thinking, okay, so now I must basically just survive until the next payday. And guys, like I know from experience that that is not the way to live. And yeah, I just got tired of living that way, if I'm being honest. And I didn't even start looking into digital marketing because I wanted to be a digital marketer. I started digital marketing because I wanted more options, and I wanted to um have financial freedom. That's why I started. I wanted to become like more debt free, retire earlier, be able to help my family out more. And yeah, at some point I want to have kids, and I don't want them to have the financial struggles that I have. Like, I don't want it for them, and that's why I started digital marketing. And what I also realized, that working harder at the exact same job is not exactly gonna help my situation. And so I started looking on TikTok on how people actually make money online. And listen, I am still learning and I'm still figuring stuff out, but at least I'm taking steps forward to create a better future for myself and for my future generations. Because I have a clearer direction of where I want to go now, that is exactly why I'm sharing my digital marketing journey, and that is why I'm sharing digital marketing with other working women. Not because like I think everybody should have like a great online business. No, I'm sharing it because everybody deserves to be financially free. Every working woman deserves to be financially free and to have more money for herself and for the future generation. And I know somebody who's listening to this are thinking, there has to be another option. There has to be another way to make money online. If that sounds